Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some dessert. It's the holiday season. I personally really enjoy peach cobbler, and that's what I'm going to be making tonight. However, it is going to be my first time making it from scratch, so see how it goes. But I have high hopes for myself, so you should too. My ingredients all measured and ready, so this should be really quick. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I already have the oven preheated to 350. 350 is always like the sweet spot for almost cooking and baking anything. It's like, put it on 350, 20 minutes, you know, like it's always a go-to. I have a cup of flour here, cup of sugar, pinch of salt, because you always kind of need a little bit of salt to bring out the sweetness and your sweet stuff. I don't know why, I don't know, maybe it's like yin and yang type shit. God, this is 3/4 cups of milk. I'm gonna add it slowly, not too fast. A little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon, and then also vanilla extract. But like, just kind of eyeball like what you kind of like. So nutmeg is very like fragrant, so not too much nutmeg, at least for me. Cinnamon, I love cinnamon. Like, I'm someone who, I guess 4 shakes, I don't know how to describe it. Cinnamon is something, I put cinnamon in my pancakes. Like, I love cinnamon. You guys on here are kind of toxic, just to be honest. Alright, so we got the vanilla extract, and I just do it like with a capful. I guess a capful is probably about like about a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon. So just a capful of vanilla extract. Good. It just smells like fall, smells like holidays, smells like grandma, you know? I love that. I love that. And it's not too... Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more flour in there. That's enough, that's enough. 5 to 6 tablespoons. Butter makes everything better. Good, good. Your regular peaches you would get, just like in regular syrup. So like I said, this is already heated on like medium low heat, like 4 out of 10, I guess heat you would say. All right, so then we have the 3/4 cup of sugar, just a regular white sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar. So almost the same, but like not really. So like the sugar added, brown sugar. Yes, yes. Alright, so this has been bubbling for a while, simmering, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do the cinnamon first, because you always, to me, I eyeball it, but I want to have more cinnamon than nutmeg. Because nutmeg is very fragrant. So I'm going to add that amount of cinnamon, however much that was. Yeah, probably like 2 tablespoons, I guess you could say, if you want to measure stuff. Definitely nowhere, I would say at least half or less than half of the amount of cinnamon that you used. So nutmeg, just a couple sprinkles. So it's a couple tablespoons of cornstarch and then half a cup of water. And we got the cornstarch slurry, which is like half a cup of water and cornstarch. Let's thicken this up some. Best part, I turn the heat off. I'm gonna let this sit for just like maybe like 2 minutes, and bake it on 350 for about 45 minutes. Bourbon, praline, pecan ice cream. Yes. Looks good, right? Alright, so if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment, you can share the video, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah, hope you see you guys in my next video.